So where you came from?
I come from China.
In which city?
It's in Guangzhou.
Oh, nice. I only hear about the name of Beijing. I think your Uber driver is not coming to your place.
I think so. It's too much crowded.
अपने घर के बाहर बाइक पर सामान लगाया था तो देखा कि एक चाइनीज़ फॉरनर अपने ऊबर ड्राइवर को कभी इस गली में ढूंढ रहा है और कभी किसी गली में। आपको तो पता ही है कि जी ऊबर क्रीम ड्राइवर्स को इन मोहल्लों और रश वाली जगहों पर आते हुए मौत आती है। तो वो मेरे पास से दोबारा गुजरा, मेरी बाइक पर लगे सामान और गोप्रो वगैरह देखकर इसने मेरे से कहा कि आप बता सकते हैं ये ड्राइवर कहाँ है। मैंने चेक किया, अब इस चाइनीज़ ने ब्रांथर रोड जाना था और ऊबर ड्राइवर शालमी वाली साइड पर कहीं घूम रहा था, जो कि मेरे घर से तकरीबन 3 किलोमीटर बनते हैं। मैंने इसकी राइड कैंसिल करवाई और कहा कि मैं तुम्हें वहाँ ड्रॉप ऑफ कर देता हूँ, फिर आगे मैं अपनी राइड पर चला जाऊँगा। Why you struggling hard to find the streets of Lahore?
Well, sorry, I didn't get you.
Why you struggling hard to find the streets of Lahore?
Yeah, city of Lahore. It's good.
It's good. Wow.
For me, this is my very first time.
Okay.
First time in Lahore, first time in Pakistan.
Oh, really nice.
You got nice people.
Perfect.
I enjoy the food as well. The air maybe when the air is too fast.
Yeah, you are walking in the iron street of Lahore. So there is some pollution. Don't worry, you will get used to it.
Yeah.
So where you came from?
I come from China.
In which city?
It's in Guangzhou.
Oh, nice. I only hear about the name of Beijing and some of the famous cities.
But as you know, China is too big. From north to south, it takes around 1,000 kilometers.
Yeah, if you want to go from north to south.
Before it always take a train, like we say normal train. This train is 28 or 30 hours.
Oh, really nice. You get really bad car fare.
Oh yeah.
Do you take breakfast?
Yes, I did.
इसको बहुत बुरी किस्म की खांसी लग गई है क्योंकि लाहौर की पोल्यूशन में इसका ये पहला एक्सपीरियंस है।
The normal working hours.
Working hours in Lahore?
Yeah, during Ramadan.
During Ramzan, you can say there will be everybody get off from their offices and jobs around 4 to 5 p.m.
So the working hour is shorter. Are we in the old Lahore? Is this old Lahore or new Lahore?
Okay, you are in a outer side of Lahore, which is Bairun Lahore. So inner Lahore or Androon Lahore is there. There will be a gate. You can go to the wall city of Lahore, which is old Lahore.
We have to go through this
Cantonment board?
No. I mean, we are going to the market, right?
Yeah.
We do not need to go through this cantonment, right? Yesterday, the taxi driver, he took me to there, and the soldiers, they said I'm not allowed to go through there.
Really bad. I think your taxi driver stuck you the Lahore cantonment, which is there, which is army area.
They think I'm sort of spy.
No. If you are still a spy, don't worry. There is nothing to hide. Here is Androon Lahore. You can see the old gates.
Yes, I went to Lahore Fort.
Perfect. It's a historical place. I think you have enjoyed.
Yes. Well, I enjoyed the fort a lot. It's magnificent.
Great.
Long and spectacular history.
Yeah. It's a historical city and you will enjoy everything here. You can see modern Lahore, you can see wall city of Lahore, every kind of street food, and you can see the whole bazaar is coming around with us. I think your Uber driver is not coming to your place.
I think so. It's too much crowded.
Yeah, it's too much crowded and huge traffic here. So that's why some of the drivers are taking some risk to go to these narrow streets. So in this side there is a Brandreth Road where you can buy almost every kind of hardware, machinery and everything. I think you put the navigation of this side. So I have to take a left.
The place we are going is also very crowded, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a market area, so obviously it's a crowded area. Everybody from Lahore is come to this place to buy some machinery items or hardware items.
Oh, okay, all right. And it's a very big city.
Yeah, it's a very big city. You will enjoy it.
Yeah, I am. 200 meters
400 meters straight. Got it.
on our left side.
On your left side, perfect. Ismail Center किथे है? Ismail Center है? Yeah, here is a Ismail Center, and you will find in this market super magnet thale. You can go to the basement.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
You want to explore it, or you want to?
Yeah, I have to go.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot, my friend. Do I have to?
Give me a hug, man. I don't have a COVID.
Okay. No, it's all right.
Take your time. If you need anything from my side,
I think
don't hesitate to contact me.
I've got to pay you some money.
No. If you have to book a ride, don't try to book a ride for a taxi. Book a ride for any bike ride, any scooter, so you can roaming the streets easily because there is a lot of traffic. Take care, man. Nice to meet you.
Good luck to you.
तो ये थी जी आज की वीडियो, क्योंकि उस बेचारे को काफ़ी मुश्किल आ रही थी और उसने जो टैक्सी बुक करवा ली थी काफ़ी मिनिमम डिस्टेंस पे आने के लिए। तो आपको पता ही है कि ऊबर और क्रीम ड्राइवर जो हैं वो अंदरून लाहौर या इस साइड पे जो रश वाला एरिया वहाँ पे आते हुए कितना मतलब कि तंग करते हैं या नहीं आते। मोस्टली नहीं आते ये, ख़ासकर पीक ट्रैफिक आवर्स में। तो मैंने कहा कि यार कोई मसला नहीं है, थोड़ा लंबा चक्कर लगा लेते हैं। लेकिन वो बेचारा गलियों में कभी इधर जा रहा है कभी उधर जा रहा है, तो मैंने कहा कि यार इसको ड्रॉप ऑफ करते हैं यहाँ। अगर वीडियो पसंद आई है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, वीडियो को लाइक करें, बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस करें। मिलते हैं जी आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जी अल्लाह हाफिज़।